So good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about iridoids, which comes under Unit 2 of your syllabus. And also by studying this topic, you can understand what are the biological source and its various phytoconstants present in it, followed by therapeutic uses as well as commercial applications. So moving to iridoids, these are secondary metabolites which are commonly found in plants as well as in animals, and they are mainly monoterpenes which are synthesized through isoprene units. And these are mainly colorless and bitter compounds, and they can be soluble in water as well as ethanol, methanol as well as in acetone. And also it possesses various bioactivities like cardiovascular properties, hypoglycemic property, anti-inflammatory as well as analgesic properties. So the first iridoid containing drug is gentian. Here you can see the image of gentian, and moving to biological source, it consists of dried partially fermented roots as well as rhizomes of Gentiana lutea belonging to the family Gentianaceae. Here we are taking the roots as well as rhizomes which are partially fermented, and it belongs to the family Gentianaceae, and the name of the plant is Gentiana lutea. Here we are discussing about the yellow gentian. Moving to its chemical constituents, the main constituents of gentian are bitter glycosides followed by amarogendin. The main taste, that is the bitter taste of the gentian, is due to the presence of this amarogendin, and also it consists of gentianin and gendesin. These two components are responsible for the yellow color of the drug. I have already mentioned this is yellow gentian. That yellow color of the gentian is due to the presence of gentianin as well as gendesin, followed by gendesic acid, gentianose and gentiobioes are also present. This is the only one iridoid containing drug that you have to study. So mainly beta glycosides followed by amarogendin, which is responsible for the bitter taste of the drug. Also gentianin and gendesin is present, which is responsible for the yellow color of the drug, followed by gentesic acid, gentianose and gentiobioes. On chemical test, here the drug under UV radiation shows light blue color fluorescence. The light blue color fluorescence is due to the presence of bitter glycosides. Due to these bitter glycosides, this gentian shows light blue color fluorescence. Then therapeutic uses, it is mainly used as a bitter tonic. Already it has a bitter taste, so it is used as a bitter tonic. Also it improves our appetite and also stimulate gastric secretion. And also it is used in case of bloating, diarrhea, heartburn, fever, and also in muscle spasm. That is, it is used as an antispasmodic agent. And in commercially, it is used in foods, beverages as well as in cosmetic industries. Main uses, it is used as bitter tonic, that is, it improves our appetite as well as stimulate the gastric secretion, followed by bloating. And the next method of extraction. Here the gentian is mainly extracted by solvent extraction. Different types of solvents are used, mainly ethanol water, propylene glycol and water, followed by ethanol, propylene glycol or water. By using different solvents or by using different concentrations of amarogendin and gentiopicroside can be obtained, and after that we are finally analyzing by HPLC, that is high performance liquid chromatography. Main method we follow is solvent extraction, and different solvents can be used like ethanol water or propylene glycol water, ethanol, propylene glycol and water. And before the solvent extraction, if we expose the drug to any enzyme, that is any enzyme treatment, we can improve the extract yield, but there will not be any change in the yield of amarogendin and gentiopicroside. Next drug is artemisinin. Artemisinin is a terpenoid containing drug, whereas gentian is an iridoid containing drug. Here, in case of artemisinin, we are using the full plant. That is, it is a Chinese traditional plant of Artemisia annua belonging to the family Asteraceae family. The whole plant of artemisinin is used. That is Artemisia annua belonging to the family Asteraceae family. Chemical constituents, it mainly contain artemisinin, deoxyartemisinin, artemisinic acid, arteannuin, A and B. These are the important constituents of artemisinin. Besides this, it also contains beta-cetosterol, stigmasterol, artemisia alcohol, artemisia ketone, camphor caryophyllines, etc. Important constituents are artemisinin, deoxyartemisinin, artemisinic acid, arteannuin, A and B. Also, it contains artemisia alcohol and artemisia ketone. Therapeutic uses of artemisinin include, it is mainly used as an anti-malarial drug. Traditionally, it is used as an anti-malarial drug. Also, it is used in the case of cerebral malaria. Also, it possesses antibacterial property, anti-inflammatory property and anti-HIV property. Important uses anti-malarial, mainly cerebral malaria. And its commercial applications include, it is used in decorating purpose and also used in the flavoring of vermouth. Vermouth means it is a wine-like preparation containing herbs as well as spices. That is, it is artemisinin is used in the case of flavoring property, flavoring in the case of vermouth. Next one is taxus. Here, almost the drug's root, bark as well as the leaves of the plant are used. Different taxus species are there. Commonly Taxus bifolia, Taxus cuspidata, Taxus baxita and Taxus canadensis, all belonging to the family Taxaceae family. The roots, bark as well as leaves of the Taxus species are used. Among this, there are 4 species: Taxus baxita, Taxus cuspidata, Taxus bifolia and Taxus canadensis, all belonging to the family Taxaceae family. Next, chemical constituents. Important constituent of Taxus is Taxol or paclitaxel. This Taxol or paclitaxel is used as an anti-cancer drug. Also, it contains cephalomanins, baxetin 3 and 10-deacetyl baxetin 3. Also contains taxagiffin and taxan. These are the important constituents. Besides this, it also contains sterols, proanthocyanidins, etc. This Taxus is also a terpenoid containing drug. Main therapeutic uses of Taxus is anti-cancer property. Also, it is used in the case of variety of cancers like breast cancer, ovarian cancer, lung cancer, prostate cancer. Also in the carcinomas of head, neck, colon and also in prostate cancer. Also, it possesses anti-inflammatory as well as anti-pyretic property. Important use of Taxol is anti-cancer.